Right, so the Swallow Falls just up here. You see this hotel that's closed.
Oh,
shame.
Which hotel?
By the Swallow Falls.
Oh, it's closed, the hotel.
By the Swallow Falls, yeah, dead opposite. It's a big hotel.
Right, okay.
Oh, look at that, the sun on it now.
You're going to be too low, you're on here.
Not too bad, babe, not too bad. Look at that.
Wow.
That's the place. It's amazing, isn't it? Little dirt track, I like that. Good God. We're even closer here. Shot, isn't it? We've got the best of all worlds here. We've got that like that,
Yeah.
but no snow on the road, because I thought this might all be snowy up here. That's a hell of a climb up there, very precipitous, nowhere to stop though.
Really?
Yeah, and there's a big hostel at the top, then you go down this magnificent valley. It's lovely coming back up again.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's worth doing it, to be honest. This is nice down here. There's a platform down there, but this is a good place.
It's a bit cold for us, we got it.
Okay.
Whoa. Yeah, it's got a bit of a cloud there as well, dramatic.
We're above the clouds, there's still quite a nice view down there. Look at the clouds, wispy clouds through the valley. Beautiful shot that would be, looking down. Oh look, somewhere we can stop as well.
Yes, oh yes. That's
That's amazing.
the water.
That is amazing.
Wow, you can see the reflection of the
Oh, that's something
water.
else, isn't it?
Oh,
Yeah, I'm going to just pull over here.
There's a place there. That is, if you go back a bit, yeah. Oh, you might be able, yeah, you just have to go back a bit. That is beautiful. Oh, excuse me.
Again, some nice reflections in there, look at that.
Yeah.
It's like absolutely
Still.
like a photograph. It's